I'll decorate this plastic bag and turn it into a handbag. Then I'll go to the market.
Oh wow, just look at my handbag. It's branded. You should get a nice one too.
What I have is enough for me, but I'll ask my daughter to bring me a better one. Dear, can you get me a handbag?
Sure, Mom. I'll bring you a nice one. Friends, I manage my family with so much difficulty, but I never let Mom feel it. No one supports me, yet I keep working hard every day. If you also truly love your mom, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel and comment, "I also want a handbag," with your name. Mom asked for just a simple handbag, and I couldn't even buy it. That's why I'm making one out of wood. It may not look real, but it'll be filled with my love and care. Here, Mom, your handbag is ready.